Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Photoroom. Go ahead and open your Play Store, download and install Photoroom, and go ahead and open Photoroom. You can see that this is the default screen of Photoroom. Now you must select what do you do, so select your profession, and what you need to do is click on your content, and you can continue with either Google, Facebook, or write down your email address. So let's go ahead and log in with your Google account. Choose your Google account and press continue. After a while, you can see that you are now signed up with Photoroom. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go ahead and press your content and then log into your account, and then you will create an account for yourself in Photoroom. I hope this video about how you can sign up in Photoroom was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.